Hello class. I want to give you a brief tutorial on how to navigate assist.org to use as a reference. Assist is a transfer information system that shows how credits from community college or university can be applied when transferring to another. It allows you access to explore the California universities and private schools. So let's begin. So here's the home page. From the home page, you can click on Using Assist and it will explain in detail how to use the website. Okay. So I advise you to take some time to read over that. You can use Assist to find community college courses that are transferable to a UC or a Cal State campus, and also define major prep classes required for specific majors. You can also use Assist to explore university majors available at University of California or Cal State University. So let's go back to the home page. And so what you can start here, you would pick the institution that you currently attend, the Santa Ana College. And then you would select the school that you would like to transfer to. Example, Cal State Fullerton. And then you would select a major. And they would list all the majors available at that campus. For example, psychology. Then it will give you a report of what courses. It says here, lower division units required. So when I'm counseling a student, I would require them, just as it says, to take the courses listed on the right side, because that's the Santa Ana course. And then on the left side will be the course that it articulates to at the campus that you choose to transfer to. So these would be the courses in addition to general education that you must complete to be able to transfer and compete when applying to the particular school. Okay. You can click change the report or institution, and you can change accordingly. And then the other thing you can do, let's go back to the home page. You can just explore majors. You click the Explore Majors button, then click on Majors, and then you would put the major in the search engine. So, for example, psychology. And then click the search button, and it will give you a list of all the California universities, Cal State and UCs, that have psychology as a major. You can further explore by clicking on the school of your choice and then select your community college. And then you would click continue. And then on the right side, you click the major prep button, and it goes back to give you that list that's required. And then we can go back to the home page. You also can go to the Exploring Majors page and then go back to the main page regarding Exploring Majors. You can click on each individual campus by selecting UC campuses. It'll show you the location of where the campuses are. For example, if you're not sure how far you want to be from home, you can see where the campuses are located. You can also click on the campus, and it will give you a list of all the majors on that campus. And then you can click the individual majors And just as I showed you before, click Santa Ana College, continue, and then it'll tell you a list of courses. We can go to the Cal States as well. These are all the Cal States in California. And again, you can click on it and it'll show you a list of all the majors. I also wanted to show you, if you're thinking of possible private institutions, you can click the private institutions button and it'll take you to an outside link, Association of Independent California Colleges and Universities. Click on that. And then you would start researching. We don't have articulations. I would refer you to see a counselor to discuss courses needed for the private schools, but at least you can search using this website different private schools. Okay, enjoy, take time, allow yourself time to explore and research while you're doing this assignment. Let me know if you have any questions.